What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's December 27th right now. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Kyle and I are going to head up to the mountain.
On the mountain, Camelback. Gonna bring the GoPros up, so expect some cool footage of that. That's about it for now. I'll catch up with you guys when tires get soon.
Coming. And with all my faults, I'm running.
We're here with the lead ooper in his new Mox.
New Mox? Heck yeah, here we go, boys. We're out here setting up the hammock a couple times, so when we go out for the first time actually camping, we know how to do it efficiently. Getting our knots down. How's it going there, Tyrus?
Going pretty good. Just learning the knot. You know, want to make sure we're good to go when we first go out. We don't spend an hour setting up our hammocks. You know?
That's right. So it's going well. You know, we got the setup. Trying to set up over here. Just gotta get an undercoat still, but we'll get there. And then got mine over there.
With all my faults, I'm running.
Make some pretty sweet videos this winter in the hammock camping. Heck, dope.
Yeah, got it going pretty good. For the first time, trying out setting them up. We'll be good to go when we do it next time.
We got our knots down. It's like, it'll be a 5-minute setup probably. 5-minute takedown. And got a fire going. Get some hot dogs cooking. Alright, we'll catch you probably on the road to Camelback.
So we got a slight problem. Not really a problem, but I was walking out the car, put the cam away, and I saw my back left tire was a little bit low, just a little bit. It's not necessarily a bad thing because one, I have a spare, and two, we have 2 cars, so we can just take the other car. But a little interesting, so I thought I'd vlog it, you know?
Yeah, you know, we brought her up here and checked the PSI. It's supposed to be at 35, she's around 10, so extremely low.
Alright guys, so what we found was we were spraying all around here. So this is soapy water, so if there's a leak, what you'd see is the water would start to bubble. So we sprayed all on the tire, we couldn't find any leak. But we sprayed the valve stem. Look at that.
I don't know.
She's leaking. Found the problem.
And so we tightened that bad boy up and we're back on the road. Go ahead in. Alrighty, well, here we are going to Camelback. Got the car all packed up. Should be good for a good time, good video. How you feeling, Tyrus?
I'm feeling pretty gosh darn good. It's gonna be a good day.
It's gonna be a good day.
We'll send.
Torque 25E. Okay, we'll catch you in Camelback.
Oh, my heart's drawn to you. I could swear that it's true. Up in the trees, whispers sing, we've come so far.
Made it here up at the mountain. Got the pass. You know, about to get some shreddy footage, so stay tuned. Don't leave. Gonna be 6 cinematic edit coming in now.
Packing up here. Long days.
It was a good day.
Let's start shoving stuff in there.
We got the car all packed up. We're gonna go get some Wendy's 4 for $4 now.
Yay! Woo! Oh, I could really go for some 4 for $4. Wendy's hooks you up. They really do.
They do. Get some Baconator. They didn't have straws.
We're here at Wendy's, and Grant K decided to make an appearance after work. Look, here he is.
It's Pete now. Calling from down.